Hello friends, let's solve question number 5 in a classroom. 4 friends are seated at points A, B, C and D as shown. So here I have just, in the question, it's been plotted only the points. I have just joined all the points here. Okay. Jerina and Funny walked into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Jerina asks Funny, don't you think ABCD is a square? Funny disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. So here, for proving whether A, B, C, D points forms a square or not, what is the condition for a square? Square means nothing but all the sides should be equal, all the four sides should be equal and the diagonals bisect each other and the length of and the diagonals are also equal. These two conditions have to be satisfied. So for finding whether the sides are equal or not, what we have to do? We have to obtain the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. These are all the sides we have to get. So before finding the sides, let us plot the points here. So here, when you see here, 10 boxes are there horizontally and vertically. So horizontally, when you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in the same way in the vertically also. What will be the points for A? What will be the x and y coordinates for A? See, when you see here, let us consider this as x-axis and this as y-axis. For assumption, for making the points clear, I am explaining you this. So, for A point, 1, 2, 3. When you consider this as x-axis, here x coordinate will be what? Here it is 3 boxes are there. Correct? 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes are there, so that the x coordinate will become 3. What will be the y here? Y means vertically 1, 2, 3, 4. So the y coordinate will become 4. So the point will be 3, 4. For B, what will we get here? See, when you go for B here, what will be the x coordinate will be nothing but number of horizontal boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, correct? See here, B point will be, x coordinate will be 6. What will be the y coordinate? Count from vertically. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these 2 points I have explained you practically, and this I'll tell you simply how to calculate. So D point, when you go for D point here, how many cubes are there? Here we have written 6, right? So x coordinate will be 6 and y coordinate means we have to see vertically. So at D point, how many y coordinates are there? Only 1. So 1. So D point will be easy. It's 6, 1. So in the same way for C coordinate, C also. So C, how many x coordinates are there? 9. So 9, what will be the y coordinate here? C 9, 4. Okay. So the points will be here A 3, 4, B 6, 7, C 9, 4 and D 6, 1. Let us write this in the solution here. Okay. Yes, we got the points here. So A will be 3, 4, B 6, 7, C 9, 4 and D 6, 1. So I have assumed the points as A for x1, y1, B is x2, y2, C is x3, y3 and D is x4, y4. So to prove that all sides are equal, let us find the sides first. What will be the 4 sides? Will be AB, BC, CD and DA or AD. It's up to you. So here, let's find the distance between the two vertices or the 2 points using the distance formula, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance between A and B, that is AB equals to, so here the coordinates are x2, x1, right? So write the formula in the same way, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? So here, what will be the x2 here? 6 minus 3 whole square plus what will be the y2? Y2 will be 7 minus 4 whole square. Clear? So 6 minus 3 is what? 3 square plus again 3 square will get what? Will get square root of 9 plus 9 is equals to square root of 18. Clear? So this square root of 18 units. So distance between the 2 points A and B is nothing but square root of 18 units. In the same way, let's find for BC, CD and DA. Okay. distance between B and C is nothing but BC equals. So what are the B and C points we assume? So x2 and this one is x3, right? So x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. Let us substitute the values and simplify the answer. So what do we get? x3 is 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. Correct? 4 minus 7 whole square. So what is 9 minus 6? It is 3 square plus 4 minus 7, it becomes minus 3 whole square. So 3 square it is 9, again minus 3 square is also 9, we will get square root of 18 units. So the distance between the points B and C also you will get it as square root of 18. In the same way, let's find for C and D. So distance between C and D, that is CD equals to, what did we assume for C? C we assumed it as x3 and D we assumed it as x4, right? So the formula will be x4 minus x3 whole square plus y4 minus y3 whole square. Clear? So what are the points of x4? So x4 means 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. Clear? Same apply here. So 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. What do we get here? We get it as minus 3 square plus again minus 3 square. We'll get it as square root of 9 plus 9. So that is square root of 18 units. What is the value here we got? Here it is CD equals to square root of 18 units. In the same way, let us find for DA also. Okay. Distance between D and A, that is AD equals to, you can take either D or A first. So here I am taking AD as first, so that x4 minus x1 whole square plus y4 minus y1 whole square. What is x4? X4 and x1, let's see the values here. What is x4 here? 6 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. So write the same here. 6 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. What do we get here? 3 square plus minus 3 square. You'll get it as square root of 9 plus 9, that is square root of 18 units. Okay. So when you see here, what are the side values you got? So AB value got it as square root of 18 units. Clear? AB equals to square root of 18 units. And PC also you got it as square root of 18 units. CD also you got it as, CD what you got? You got square root of 18 units. And AD you got it as square root of 18 units. So once here all sides are equal, so one condition is satisfied. The other condition is the diagonal should also be equal. Let us check the same way using distance formula for AC and BD. Let's see what do we get. Yes, for the square ABCD, the diagonals will be AC and BD. Any line joining two opposite vertices of a square is called diagonal. Correct? Let us find the values for AC and BD. Let's see what do we get. What are the x3, what is x3 value and x1 value? We'll check it. So here x3 is 9 and x1 is 3. So 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. Correct? 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. So I have written it here, 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. Let's see what do we get. Let us simplify this. 9 minus 3 is what? 6 square plus 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 square is, we'll get the same thing. So square root of 36, we have to take only the positive values. Since the distance is a positive term, only the positive values have to be considered. So the distance between A and C is 6 units. In the same way, let's find for distance between B and D, where BD is the diagonal for the square ABCD. So the formula will be B we have considered as the points x2, y2 and D as x2, x4, y4. So the formula will be x4 minus x2 whole square plus y4 minus y2 whole square. So let's see what are the values of x4 and y4. Let's see here. So here it will be 6 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square. So just write the formulas. So I'm writing in the formula. So 6 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square. Let's simplify this. What do we get? 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 plus 1 minus 7, it is minus 6 square. we'll get it as square root of 36. 6 square will get 36, right? Square root of 36. What is square root of 36? It is plus or minus 6, but we have to consider only the positive value since the distance is a positive term. Clear? So the distance between the B and D, that is BD value, will be 6 units here. AC value we got it as 6 and BD also we got it as 6. So here AC equals to BD. Since the sides are all equal, so AC is equals to BD equals to 6 units. And what did we get? AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA equals to what did we get? Square root of 18 units. This you can write it as square root of 9 into 2, that is 3 root 2 units. Correct? So here we got all sides are equal and the diagonals are also equals. Therefore ABCD forms square. Hence Zarina is correct. Correct? Hence Zarina is correct. So they asked us to find who is correct, right? So the answer will be Zarina is correct. So this is the solution here. I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.